Welcome back to Crypto Info, Blockchain Made Easy with your host, Frank the Crypto Tank. Please tap that like and subscribe down below if you don't mind. Helps us out a great deal on the channel. Good morning, good morning. I hope everybody's doing great this morning. This morning I'm going to give you the basically 7 reasons why you cannot see the inflow for the Templeton EZRP spot ETF that I tried to cover yesterday inadequately because it's different now. Now, the first thing is it's a commodity-based trust, right, and not a traditional ETF. Right, skis? It's the core reason you can't see these inflows. It's different. It's not like the others. The EZRP is structured like gold, silver, or PAX style crypto trusts, okay? So these type of trusts do not report daily creation and redemption flows the way the 1940s Act ETFs do. Now, do they? No, they don't. They're just a little bit different. I had to find out about all of it. Didn't realize this yesterday. I tried to cover it, tried to get some info on it. You guys were probably all wondering, why can't we see these inflows? This is why. The spot XRP ETFs were approved under commodity trust rules, not the 1940s Acts. That means basically that there's no requirement for daily AUM, no requirement for daily creation and redemption reports, no daily basket files, none of it, and no requirements to feed their data to Bloomberg or any of them, ETF DB or Morningstar, whomever. So most people don't understand it. I didn't either. Commodity trusts are a little bit, they're different. The same transparency mandates or reporting timelines that the standard ETFs have, they're just a little bit different from them. They're not the same. Welcome to the channel, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Crypto Info Blockchain Made Easy with the Tanker. Now, please don't forget, we have launched our Patreon. Might want to check that out. And please don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor, so never buy or sell those because of what I say or do. Now, this structure is just a little bit different, okay? That's number one, okay, EZRP is a commodity-based trust. This is the first reason, which means that the data flow does not come out daily the way they do in the other ETFs. Yeah, there's no legal requirement to release it yet. They'll do it basically monthly, pretty sure is when it happens. My phone is trying to spy on me today. This is not the first time. Tinfoil hat guy. Guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Crypto Info Blockchain Made Easy with the Tanker. Please tap like and subscribe. It helps us so much. 7 reasons why it's not covered. Secondly, Cboe, no, daily creation and redemption reports not filed yet. EZRP is listed on Cboe BZX, as you know, Chicago Exchange, but unlike NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange, the Cboe's reporting for commodity-based trust often lags for several days. So we're going to wait on this one. I didn't realize all this. So sometimes the data appears in batches. I had to find out about all this. Right? Sometimes it's delayed until the issuer itself pushes the file. This is why we don't know about what's going on with the numbers on this EZRP. Okay. So the first official trust post is probably in about at the end of the month, right? It's not unusual. It's not an error. This is how it goes. Let me get my volume better. Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, this is how this goes with this trust ETF. So anyway, this is why we cannot see numbers. Reason number 2 why we cannot see the numbers. Until the Cboe publishes the first creation and redemption file, there's no way for any external data provider, any terminal, any API, any ETF database, or any scraper to pull these official figures and give them to us. So the reason we can't see the numbers yet, of course, is because the exchanges haven't posted them because they don't have to and they ain't gonna. Number three, Franklin Templeton has not released the first daily holdings report for EZRP. Many major issuers like BlackRock, Fidelity, Bitwise, blah, 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 Grayscale, publish daily AUM, daily basket files, okay, and daily creation and redemption activity. Not happening here. Franklin Templeton does not do this for commodity-based trusts. They release periodic updates, not daily breakdowns. So until Franklin issues first holding statements, the exact inflows, the exact XRP inventory, right, the exact trust assets themselves, And the daily exchange will not exist in any public location, and we will not know. There's no leak. There is no data error. Right. There's simply no report. That's it. We just don't have a report. They don't have to release it, so they haven't. And that's where we are as of now, with not knowing what the EZRP stats are. What are the inflows? Number 4, first official AUM for EZRP will likely be released on probably a T3, T2 timeline, right? First week of the trust report. Right. The first monthly or quarterly SEC filing, right? Checks the boxes, got the receipts, right? Oh, stupid. Number 18, and today's the on the 18th, I'm sorry, and as of today, which is what, the 20th? Yeah, we still have no data. People expect instant data because it's we saw it with the Bitcoin, we saw it with Ethereum, no, and also Rex Osprey, ETF, and so forth. Canary Capital, right? Small little LLC companies, XRP ETF. Yeah, we're not going to see this with the EZRP. It's not a daily reporting vehicle. They don't have to, and they're not going to. It's a commodity trust with a delayed data cycle. This is the difference, okay? Which I didn't understand until I had to research it. Now, number 5, the reason why you can see the numbers for the Canaries at, like, for instance, XRPC ETF immediately is because it launched on NASDAQ. NASDAQ requires instant posting of daily basket files, not required in Cboe. Creation units, too. Redemption units and other key ETF matrix are all required on NASDAQ, right? Daily. Those files are automatically distributed to Bloomberg, whatever ETF, DB, Morningstar, Yahoo Finance, blah, 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 all of them, right? Canary must disclose daily. Franklin doesn't have to, and it ain't going to. We'll probably be out about the end of the month. That obligation for commodity-based trust in Cboe, And is that why they chose it? Interesting. Tinfoil hat guy again. So, reason why you can see Canary's XRPC, for instance, right, in daily flows after is because its exchange mandates it. Cboe does not, right? Number 6, here's why you can see projections for EZRP, but not the verified AUM numbers or assets under management, of course. It's because analysts modeled the launch before it went live. They projected, as you know about it, something like 100 to 250 million in one-day volume, something like that. Some projected that EZRP would do 2 to 4 times the volume of Canary's launch. We don't know yet. The numbers are only models. They're not the filings. We are still waiting. We do not know. They're not trust reports. No, they're not official. No, they are not. They are market expectations and guesses. We do not know just yet. Until Franklin or the Cboe releases, we don't know the first certified AUM line item, then we're not going to know anything. There's no official audited, confirmed figure for EZRP inflows as of yet. That's why we see projections, right? But we do not see verified capital inflows, not just yet. The 7th, the bottom line here, the reason why you can't see the capital inflows for the EZRP, it's, of course, commodity-based trust. It is listed on the Cboe for those 2 reasons. We just gave you why. It's not required to publish daily. The exchange has not posted the creation and redemption file. We do not know just yet. Franklin Templeton has not released the first daily holdings report for the XRP EZRP for their XRP ETF spot trust. So here we are. We just don't know. We will find out soon. We will get to more of this shortly. Let's just remember the SEC has not yet received a trust filing with AUM data. Therefore, there are no official capital inflow numbers and no AUM numbers, no trust asset totals, no verified figures anywhere. We have no numbers on this EZRP yet. This is not a glitch. This is not missing data. This is not a mistake. The reason why none of you can find it, the reason why I can't find it is because of what I just said. Normal reporting timeline for this commodity-based trust is not the same as the others. In the moment that the first official numbers appear, we, of course, will notify you. directly. Welcome into Crypto Info Blockchain Made Easy with your host, Frank the Crypto Tank. Today's crypto market cap. Please tap like and subscribe. If you don't mind, it helps us a great deal. We have fear and greed index into the 15. Wow, into the fear. Boy, is everybody freaked out about crypto. Would you just look at this over the 30-day? Oh my gosh, boy, did we fall down the mountain. Crypto is a big nothing burger. I could just hear it all at Thanksgiving unless we pump before then. Hey, buddy, my doggy. Yeah, unless we pump before Thanksgiving, I can hear everybody. Crypto's a big nothing burger. See, I told you, Uncle Joe or whoever at crypto dinner. I can hear it now. We may get a jump before then. Let's go ahead and ourselves just jump to the 1 year and zoom out. Oh, when in doubt, we're always going to zoom out now, aren't we? Oh, thank you, studio personnel, for my shake. Lovely. Boy, I wish this coffee was warmer and I had more, but I don't know. What a bossy guy. Hey, guys. Hey, CEO talk. Let's get over to the all chart. At least back to, here, let's do this. Why are you not changing? I hope we're having fun this morning. Welcome to Crypto Info Blockchain Made Easy with the Tanker. Oh, and that's how I enlarged that. I never knew. I struggled with that. All right. Welcome to Crypto Info with the Tanker. And here we are climbing up the mountain on the all chart for crypto, but taking a digger. So how interesting when we zoom out. Okay, let's zoom back in. Oh my gosh, on the 30-day. Oh, crypto's nothing. Oh, hang on. Somebody please pass me the turkey. Somebody pass me the mashed potatoes at Thanksgiving dinner. I see the 1 month crypto chart. Uncle Joe, you were wrong. Uncle Frank, you were wrong. Uncle Frank the Crypto Tank, you were wrong about crypto. I see the 30-day chart. Okay, when in doubt, zoom out. Let's get back to the all chart. Okay, so now we're back here on we're just going back to 6/19/2022 for Christmas sakes. Would you just look at the action? By the way, Sam Bankman fried face, that little weirdo with the backpack with the funny hair, that little fat boy that don't want to eat no meat, yet he's still fat. I don't get it. Somebody riddle me that one. You're eating all these vegetables and you're still fat. Nothing wrong with being overweight, please. But come on, guy. What's going on with you? It does not compute. I'm getting it does not compute. And then you took everybody's money, you bad little boy. What a weird little kid with a backpack. Anyway, so here's that Sam Bankman fried face, freed. All right, now look at, obviously, a plant. Tinfoil hat time. All right, so now look at, here are the numbers on this, 12/4/2022. If we watch, we start climbing up the mountain. I thought crypto was nothing burger. Then why did it go from a market cap, people please, from Sam Bankman face, flub face, Sam Bankman flub face. Why did it go from there? Don't like that guy. Took a lot of people's money. Not really very cool. Anyway, why did it go from 800 bill or so, 800 bill? Tell me why it went from 800 bill and then climbed all the way up the hill like Jack and Jill. What the hell happened there? Because now it's on December, Holy Christmas, around Holy Christmas time, 2023. Well, that crap went to 1.66 true. That don't sound very Christmassy. You add one more 6 to that, we got a problem here now, child. No, 1.66 true. That had hit or sometime around Christmas time. And then it went flat and traded sideways for a long time. But don't forget, it had to do its little dippy here. Remember, after this time it went up the hill. Like Jack and Jill, it has to do the dip. Because when we zoom out, we can see the obviousness of the truth. They control the markets and they spin the market the way they want to. And what they do is ever this same thing, especially on a long time horizon upward cycle of, 7 to 10 years-ish or so, which is what we're looking at here. Don't start talking like a newscaster. It's so ridiculous. They do the same thing every time, you guys. Look at this. They drop this stuff back down. Oh, crypto's nothing. See, it's a nothing burger. And then all of a sudden, then they trade it sideways for a long time, really, a while. And then make it really say, see, told you it was a nothing burger. And then all of a sudden, they shoot that crap up again. Oh, but wait a minute. No, it's not that good. Hang on. Let's correct and come back down. Oh, see, crypto's a nothing burger. I'm doing it as I'm talking. I hope you can see it. Wait, hang on. I bet you can't. Let me pull it up here. Am I so funny that I'm not sharing my screen? No, I am. All right, I'm new at this YouTube thing, so give me a break. Here, hang on. Oh, jeez. Now I'm really messing it all up. Oh, boy. Okay, here we go. Let me get this up a little. Okay, Sam Bankman F-Face. Sam SB F-Face. Knucklehead who stole everybody's money. Guy we don't like. All right, 800 billion is the crypto market in 2022 about that time. Let me just take you on a little ride. You come up here, take a bow. Let's go here. I'm going to do market sentiment while watching this thing. Now look at. Oh, things are doing a little better for crypto. No, they're not. It's a nothing burger. Oh, see, everybody gets out. Oh, see, now it goes back up again. Nah, it's nothing to trade sideways for a while, but kind of goes up and to the right still holding key support levels. Right. Got the receipts. You go back on the charts. Yeah, checks the boxes. Yeah, you're a robot. Yeah, robots. Check the boxes. I check boxes. I talk like robot, right. And then we start cranking up again when everybody loses the faith. Right. And then we fall down the hill. Oh, see, crypto's nothing work. I got to do it for a while to show you all that this all was a nothing thing and you were all wrong. Nope, crypto's nothing, blah, 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 blah. And then it goes up a little bit and it's like, no, it's something. No, it's not. Trade sideways, goes down, maybe goes up a little, goes down the hill, still holding key support levels. Mind you, if you go back here, start getting on some charts for yourself. It's easy. Just learn some basic. Go to our video on candlesticks. It's so simple. It doesn't show you line charts, but get into any line charts, but just check them. Check out some charts. It's very basic. Go to Even AI and learn some basic charts. Say, look at them. I don't know anything about charts. I want basic 5th grade level. And then you start learning. And before you know it, it's actually a little more than 5th grader level and you're doing fine. Now look at this is what happens with crypto. And then see, we told you it was going sideways. No, it's not. It's going up a little bit. See, you were wrong. Nope. Dropping it down. You were wrong. It's a nothing burger, but still going higher than it was before over here, holding key support levels that unless you zoom out, you're going to get faked out. Now look at, here we go. Come back up. Oh my God, see, it was something. No, going to kind of trade sideways-ish, but still go a little higher than we did before on a higher up trend, to kind of like at a 25-degree angle, if you could check that business out. Then it really starts to take off. See, I told you it was something. Look at it. Everybody get into crypto. Nope. Drop it back down with a nice little crease. See all the nice little creases right after the jump ups every single time? And there's a nice big crease. Here's a jump up. Oh boy. And then the drop down, a nice little crease down. Oh boy. Let's go ahead and jump up and do a correction down. Let's jump up, crease down. Let's go ahead and jump up, crease down, jump up, drop down in a big way. So it's obvious that either we are going to, guys, you don't have to be any kind of a genius. Look at the chart. It's telling you that it's ready for its next jump up because this is its big crevice that when you try to climb the Mount Everest, we can start get to the top of the third base camp there, fell into that little crevice there, that big crevice. You got to the ice spot. It's the ice spot with all the crevices. That's like second base camp second. Anyway, going up Mount Everest. Somebody correct me. But anyway, you hit that crevice and here you go. You're ready to go back up again. Love to scream at you early in the morning here. Yeah, it's obvious. We are going back up on the crypto charts coming up very shortly. This is probably going to happen before Uncle Frankie gets to the Thanksgiving dinner. Uncle Tommy gets over to Thanksgiving dinner and they start talking about Bitcoin again. People start throwing turkey at each other. All right, now here's the deal. Turkeys. Look at this. Turkey bases. Where are my comments? Where are my people? Who's tracking? You tracking? All right, look at it. Let's jump back up and take a drop down. Let's jump up and take a drop down. Let's take a jump up and then drop down Sam Bankman knucklehead. Let's take a jump up and then we drop. And then we keep cranking back up and then we're going to drop back down. We're going to trade sideways. We're going to drop down. We're going to go back up. No, we're going to drop down. We're going to go back up in a pretty big way and tell the whole world, you better watch out for crypto. Oh my God, it's a huge thing. And then we're going to retrace back down. And then we're going to trade sideways and everybody's going, it's a nothing burger. Thank you for the coffee. Thank you. It's not really coffee. Thank you. It's actually a tiny bit of coffee these days, and mostly mushroom tea. But anyway, let's not get ramped up on coffee and trade crypto, huh? Thank you so much. Oh, I have to drink my my good green energy shake because I'm old. It's not about being old. Come on. Now look at, we're going to jump back up. We're going to take a dip down. Then we're going to trade sideways so that even the people who got into crypto and are huge into crypto and love it and they're like, crypto's, I'm going to start a YouTube channel. Even we say, oh my gosh, honey, might have made a mistake about this crypto thing. I don't know. No, we didn't. And then, well, that's what happens. And then it shoots back up like a son of a you-know-what. And we say, what in the world's going on here? Now crypto's killing it. And then all of a sudden it kind of cools off, but still on the trend goes up, which is pretty darn rare. This is quite a big spike right here. And then she jumps up again like a son of a you-know-what, but then takes the big old crevice correction. Then she jumps up, though, and says, now we're something. No, we're not. Big correction. Yes, we are something. No, we're not. We're going to trade sideways. No, we're really not. See? Nothing. Hope you didn't buy crypto. Uh-oh. Wait, it's going back up. No, it's really nothing. Maybe it's something. No, it's not. Hey, Uncle Jim, I think it is something. Nope, not. Going back down. Oh, let's go. No, it's something I've been hearing at the barbershop. No, it's nothing. Now look at. Now Trump comes in and says, oh, yeah, it's something. Bam. But no, I thought you all were right about Trump. No, you're not. You're wrong. You're wrong about Trump during this time. No, not happening. No, he's not into crypto. Yes, he is. No, he's not. Yes, he is. No, he's not. See, he's not. I thought that we had a new SEC and all this stuff. And we kind of do. No, we don't. Yeah, we do. Everybody buy crypto over here, and then we're going to correct, and now we're going to kind of trade sideways and go up and pull the... Are you getting the frickin' point? How stupid? Who is locked in the matrix and who is not? Who is busted out and sees the trophy? Yeah, I'm going to get really stupid because I'm so sick of the games and how dumb. Jump out on a chart and see the truth. Because watch, I'm going to go back to the 30-day, and it's going to be like, oh my God. Oh, crypto, what do we do? Oh my God, this thing is crazy. Holy crap, look at it. It's just tanking. I don't know what these guys are talking about. These guys are crazy on YouTube. They're all saying crypto's going up and everything. Look at this chart. I just pulled the 30-day up. Yeah, no, I went back and you told me to zoom out, and I did. And I went back to the 30-day chart and look at it. Ouchie. Oh, boy. Jump on a 1 year and start seeing the roller coaster. Jump on the, go back to, it's not really the all. Go back to 2022 on it. On the chart. It's the all for this time frame. Go back to 2022 on it and talk to me about it. Please wake up, child. Now look at, I hope you're enjoying the show. We are here trying to spit the truth about crypto info, blockchain, made easy with the host, Frank the Crypto Tank. Please don't forget about Caleb and Brown, because if you don't, you may be the last horse in the race. You may be stuck in an exchange that is crashing. I'm not saying they're going to. My opinion is they only ever has. My opinion is that history usually rhymes right. Got the receipts, checks the boxes, robot ready. Yes. 1-to-1 backing with Caleb and Brown. They do not commingle your funds like that funny little weird guy with the backpack who ate so much gosh dang vegetables and no meat and still is a pudgy little son of a gun. They stay open 24/7. And by the way, they keep their funds safe with Fireblocks institutional grade custody, your funds safe. And by the way, if you have it on other exchanges, you got your funds on cold storage, go ahead and take it, move it over to Caleb if you wish. I'm not a financial advisor. And by the way, if you do that, let's get over to full. If you do that, they are not going to charge you any fee. You only get charged a fee with Caleb and Brown if you buy, sell, or swap, and that is a 3.5% fee. You might want to think about Caleb and Brown before your behind is stuck on these exchanges being a millionaire in paper and not in real life. I'm not a financial advisor. You can't take that to the bank because I ain't no RIA, son. I'm having the best time here on the channel. Hope you guys are having fun with crypto, because some of y'all is about to be wicked rich, like we used to say back in the 80s on the East Coast especially. Shout out to my East Coasters in Pennsylvania or whatever. Back when I was a kid, I literally did walk to school in the snow like a mile or something. I swear to you I did. And boy, was it cold. Boy, it made you appreciate how to put you back against the wind. Yep, back in the day. Oh, yeah. Now look, back in my day, back in the 70s growing up, I don't know how old you guys are. Growing up back in the 70s, child of the 70s, we used to say wicked awesome, especially in the 80s. Actually, in the 80s, we started saying wicked awesome. Yep. And then we started seeing, like, Guitar Magazine and Eddie Van Halen and all this stuff and big culture. And we're like, I'm like, now, wait a minute. Is this guy, what's he doing with this guitar? I think I want to do that. I started playing guitar at a very young age, watching it. But anyway, that's another story for another time. Now, here's the deal with crypto. Whether you're a child of the 70s, the 60s, the 80s, the freaking 90s, whatever. I'm so old now, I don't even remember what the heck year I was born. My wife's like, how old are you? I swear to you, my wife is like, how old are you this year? I'm like, I don't remember. And I think I don't want to. Anyway, we got comments this morning. You guys are all about to be very wealthy. Hats off to you guys. I think a lot of you are about to be, a lot of yins. I'm going to say yins if I'm from Pennsylvania. I'm going to say yas if I'm Bronx, New York. I'm going to say y'all if I'm from down south or maybe out in Midwest. We're so funny, us humans. Anyway, y'all's going to be wherever it is, y'all's going to be very happy with your crypto purchases, in my opinion. What do I know? But I think you're all going to be very happy with yourselves. And I'm going to point both fingers at you, or I can do a Bill Clinton and do this. And I'm going to say, I think y'all going to be happy with yourselves. That was not my impersonation. Don't worry, I got a good one. I'm not going to give it out just yet. Is mushroom tea good? Yeah, it is pretty good, Satchu. Welcome. Good morning. Welcome to the channel, Satchu. I only really like Red Bull tea myself. Red Bush tea myself. Oh my God, dude. I am just loving our comment section. XRP will change lives, says Keonite Sergeant. Satchu, I love you, man. These people are just fantastic in the comment section. Please tune in. And by the way, don't be afraid to jump into the comment section and join in. Shout them out, whatever you know the answers, and have fun in the comment section. Seth said, losing oxygen levels soon. Welcome to Coffee Chat. Hilarious. Wait, I got to do it. Now look at David, and you know I love you, buddy. I got to do it. Here's my I'm going to do a video that does all the impersonations. I vowed I'd do it for all my people I love on YouTube that I learned from, like Ito Farino, David Coffee Chat. Hold on. Hey guys, welcome to Coffee Chat. Boy, is that ever good. That was my first sip. I waited to take that with you guys this morning. David, that's an impersonation of endearment. That means I love you, that I worked so hard on that impersonation. I actually didn't, but I've tried it a few times up to make sure I got it pretty good. That wasn't very good. Actually, when I get very excited, I can do an excellent David impersonation, and that means you're successful, my brother, because if I'm impersonating you, right. Checks the boxes. Got the receipts. I got the receipts. Robot ready. Hold on. I am a robot. I have been told that XRP is a crap coin. The only true store of value is Bitcoin. Did you hear my human programmed inflection I just did? Did you see what I did there? Oh, boy. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys are going to have an awesome Thanksgiving. Let me get back to these comments here. Says best pro in cryptocurrency last year. XRP, you got it, baby. No doubt about that. Uphill both ways for sure. Yep, for sure. No doubt about it. Keonite Sergeant, you guys, please tap that like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Our latest subscriber, of course, is Infidel Redneck handle. Hilarious. Back in the day, I am 28 years old, retired Army. God bless me with the truth. So, well, good for you. Now I see 3,000 plus XRP just waiting. Good for you, dude. So God likes to bless us and shine the light on the truth. I find very interesting, including my dumb things I do. And I'm not being negative about myself. I will do my silly, ego-based, ridiculous things and think I know my little ego. And then all of a sudden the Lord God will come in and be like, yeah, let me shine a little light on that, buddy. Have a little come to Jesus, Frankie boy. Yeah, hilarious. It's so true. And that's what had happened with XRP and some of the other things. Something just told me when I was listening to my buddy Gabe tell me about XRP way back. Hats off to my buddy Gabe. Tell me about XRP. Seeing the truth on it way back. Hats off to you, bro. Yeah, and then hats off to me for listening too. But anyway, something told me, listen to this guy. He's telling there's something here. He's telling there's a reason why they did this on the way out the door at the SEC. He's got something here. All right, one hit wonders rule for sure, says Seth. Oh man, come on now. It is time, baby. Were you guys buying yesterday or being fearful? Good question, asks Satu. My bags, I'm going to say, honestly, my bags have been packed and I haven't been buying. I bought some ICP because it's one I want to get. And when I saw it low enough, I've been buying. But that's the only thing, what am I going to say? Hold on. I got to put this weird shake down. Hold on. Or I'll keep yapping and never do it. All right. Wasn't that bad. Now, here's the deal. We're getting all CEO again. Here's the deal. Now, listen. Now, look at. You want to talk CEO, you can start with any of the following. Now, look at. Now, listen. Now, here's the deal. Now, let me break this down. Little CEO talk for you. Hilarious. Listen to any CEO, and they'll always listen to Brad Garlinghouse anytime he's asked a question on CBNC, CBN, or whatever, Fox News, especially Fox Business, especially the first question they ask him, and I'll go, now listen. All right, now look. Were you buying yesterday? No, bags packed. Thank you for asking. Sachu, you make a good point. Y'all better be buying if you haven't bought enough now. I've already bought too much crypto back when it was too low and my bags are packed, so I can't justify buying at these higher levels, and I'm not trying to be a bragger, unless it's ICP or something I've missed. Keynote, I believe, is trying to make me say something that I shouldn't say, and I'm trying to decipher what you're saying there, and I think we're all having fun on the channel. This is such a blast. Anyway, Art Cafe, good morning, sir. My wife's like, I've seen your channel in the morning, like your lives, dude, and stick with the, she's like, stick with the long form video. She's like, every time somebody pops on, you get all crazy and excited. You start jumping up and down. Hilarious. Yeah, Art, happy to see you. GM, everyone. Yep. Guys, gals, everybody, welcome to the truth of crypto. I just start my day. I love you guys for joining me here. And our quick little thing we do very quick here from 7 to about 7:20, 7:30. Today we went to 7:30. I'm busting out. I hope you guys have the best day. And I hope you have a lovely rest of your Thursday. Don't forget, a smile confuses, an approaching frown just freaks it all out. Someone comes at you all angry and you're all smiling. They're like, wait, why? All right, so try to remember to be happy yourself inside, no matter what, because we're all out of here pretty soon. It's not that bad. Don't worry. Now look, smile all day today and freak even yourself out and be like, wow, I smiled all day today. All right, have a fun day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. What? Later. Crypto info, blockchain made easy. Your host, Frank the Robot, crypto tagged up, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day until I wind myself up again. This guy's crazy. Later.